It was the winter season and there was a sparrow named Sunny and its 3 chicks. She was worried that if it starts snowing, she would have nothing to eat. And indeed, it begins to snow. She was afraid that an eagle might come and eat her chicks. So, she took her little ones and flew away towards the jungle. Finding a nest, she hid them there. The eagle did arrive.
I will eat them. I will eat them.
But the sparrow told her chicks to run away. As they were running, they came across a path. The kids were playing. They were overjoyed and went there because now the eagle could not harm their chicks. In this way, the sparrow and her chicks remained safe. Bye bye kids. Like and subscribe for more videos.